Hey, what's up? I'm Pastor Mattie Ice with Running Water Events, and today we'll be exploring the caves here at El Toro. I made it up here, and then I look over, and there's a whole nother huge tunnel of the cave. I'm at the footpath. We just have to walk down to the side of the cliff, and then we'll be able to go in and out some of the caves. So, follow me. All right, whenever you first walk in from the road, you have to go around twists and turns. It's a lot of loose dirt, and then it finally opens up. And whenever it opens up, you begin to hear the noise of El Toro, and you also begin to see the waves crashing. It's such a beautiful view and a beautiful sound, something I look forward to every time I'm coming down here. And then whenever you finally get to all the ashy rocks that begin to sort of hurt your feet and your hands wherever you place them, you look up to the right, and that's the first cave. And that was the first cave I ever came to whenever I first moved here. My friend Dan took me on it, and it was like, whoa, this is so cool. And I looked over to the right, and I saw all of this other view, and I'm like, how do I get there? And, well, we didn't explore it, but we will today. Let's go. So, as you can see, this is a rather large hole with several different chasms. Now, up each chasm, there are long tunnels, but you can see them, and as we get to the other side, you can see that a lot of the tunnels will connect into deep holes as well. So it goes a lot of different channels, but they're just very difficult to navigate. Not as easy as some of the others, such as Honeycomb Cave here on the island, but it's very beautiful to look at. It's really long holes, sweet little crosses and cubby holes and a lot of things. And on top of that, it's beautiful whenever I'm sitting here looking at the camera and seeing the wide open ocean. So it's just a beautiful view here at El Toro and all of the caves. But our next step is we are gonna go to the final little cubby hole, the final hole, and that'll have a lot bigger caves and bigger rooms in it. So let's go there now. Okay, so we are at the hole of the final cave that has a lot of different little cubby holes and a lot of sweet tunnels that we're so excited to explore. See, the other times we've been here to make our welcome to our house video and just eat lunch, we didn't bring our flashlights. But what we did do is take this sweet picture. Yeah, that's right. Victoria was like, that's a little dangerous, but I thought it was fun. But today we have our flashlights. Let's go check out these caves. So I made it up here, and then I look over, and there's a whole nother huge tunnel of the cave that I hadn't seen, along with this sweet, like, cylinder thing. Wow, that's fantastic. This cave behind me goes maybe 15 or 20 feet deep, and under the right circumstances, I might take you back there, but because my iPhone's broken, I don't want to take the Canon on my first trek. Sorry, you'll have to stay there. But just know that it's really cool, and that's the beautiful thing about caves. They keep going, twisting and turning. As always, the best way to stay chill and float on is to be careful. So, be careful. All right, so we made it to the final hole here at El Toro. We had to walk over a bunch of the sharp, pointy rocks the whole time. The waves are coming up along the bottom. The noise is like, ah!
I am so scared of them.
Hold on.
Don't tell me that. I can't hold on. Whew.
All right.
I was recording the whole time.
Once we make it here into this room, as you can see in the far back, there is a huge hole. That hole is, I don't know, 15, 20 feet deep, 15 feet wide. It's just a massive cylinder back there in the back wall. If you look along the other walls, you can see that there's one opening that leads out, and you can see the ocean. Whenever you're looking on the floor here, there are tons and tons of these soles of shoes. They're really hard and durable and I'm like, I wonder what those things are. And maybe you know, maybe you've been here before. Comment if you do. Lastly, if you look over to my right, you see that there is a dark area. If you climb up a few rocks and you go around, you get to a room that's maybe 9 feet deep and 4 or 5 feet wide and, I don't know, 20 feet tall. And that is the end of this main part here at El Toro. Oh my goodness, we finally got back here. See, every time we've been back here, we forget our flashlights. So, this is like a first time for both of us. Thank you for hanging out with us at El Toro, from going down the hill, over the rocks, finding a couple other holes, and then finding this sweet one. Make sure, as always, you like this video, you comment and tell us what adventure you want us to go on next, whether it's an emotional, a relational, or physical going out adventure. Share this video with your friends, maybe go on your own adventure, subscribe so you know when our next video is. And always, I'm Pastor Mattie Ice. Stay chill and float on. All right, so this is the main entrance part. If you look right there, you will see how it goes into another big room, which will be in a bit. But for now, I just found this sweet hole. So follow me and let's go that way.
Yeah, I'm not going.